Hey Diane, Brandon here. Just sending over that short custom video I put together for you. I'm going to go over three things that are going to help you guys out, get some more visibility on your website, and in turn get some more customers to you. The three things I'm going to go over are website content and keywords. Second thing is going to be citations, and the last thing is going to be backlinks with referring domains. I go over these three things because I feel that most people can navigate through this and make the corrections on their own. And then obviously there are three pretty important things that Google looks at as far as how they place people in these searches. So first thing we look at is the homepage of your website. They're looking for at least 1,500 words of content. All right, so you guys got a lot of nice content on here, a couple of pictures. So just the main thing we want to focus on is maybe a little bit more content, but more importantly, the buyer intent keyword phrases. Okay, and what I mean by that is put yourself into your client's shoes. What are they typing into that Google search bar? Um, those phrases are what we want to capture. So if residential cleaning services is a good keyword, make sure we're tying that to residential cleaning Columbus, commercial cleaning Columbus, and then notice you got a couple other different service areas as well. So um, and then obviously any other services that you offer, logging service Columbus. So just tie those keywords with the service area together, and just more content so you can get more of those keywords stuffed in there. I did look at some of your services. I just went to residential cleaning, and I noticed you got some nice pictures on here. If I go to save these pictures, if I save this picture, it says real world cleaning services. Every one of these pictures is an opportunity to be saved with a keyword phrase. So they all kind of say the same thing. So Google's crawling these pictures, they see real world cleaning services. This is a good opportunity to once again stuff a keyword phrase in there, get recognized for that. So a couple of changes there gonna help you out. I then did a search of residential cleaning services Columbus, and you're going to see there's three ways to get on the first page or the front page of Google with a keyword search. The first way is going to be to pay for it, all right, with these ads, which I see you guys are doing. The second way to do it is to be in what we call the map pack, okay? And I notice you guys do have a Google business profile, so the way you get into this map pack is with citations. Every time you get yourself into a directory, you're going to get a citation from Google. So all you have to do is take your Google business profile information, which is your business name, address, and phone number, and get it into as many directories as possible. So Angie's List, Yelp, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, Yellow Pages, White Pages, every social media platform you guys have. Any possible place where you can leave that information, Google gives you a citation. And it's really simple. Whoever has the most citations gets in this map pack. So it's something you can control, and take advantage of. And then obviously the third way to get into this is to be ranked organically with your website, which I see you guys are down here on the first page of Google. So good for you. You're either working your way up or doing some things correctly. So um, that's a culmination of your website with content and keywords, pictures being tagged correctly, meta tags. Um, and then it has a lot to do with your backlinking profile with your referring domain. So I plugged you guys into a tool I use here called Ahrefs. Anybody can use this tool. There's a monthly fee to use it, but there's some free tools similar to this out there, so you can take a peek at this. But it's going to show me your backlinks and your referring domains. And what the heck does this mean? A backlink is any place out there on the web you guys have a link that if somebody clicks on it, it brings you back to your website. Okay, so we want to make sure we got a good, healthy profile of backlinks, but more importantly, we want to make sure that those backlinks are on good quality, powerful referring domains. And what I mean by that is these backlinks need to be left um, on places that are relevant to your business and relevant to your customers. Google once again crawls these things. If they find that you got a bunch of backlinks out there in places that they really don't belong and have nothing to do with what you guys are trying to accomplish as a business, you actually get dinged for them. You lose some PowerPoints and some trust, which is kind of what's showing up here. These numbers should be pretty much equal. Um, so a little bit of work to do there. You can go into there and you can find what backlinks are going to what referring domains and clean those up. Pretty simple process. And then it shows me how many organic keywords you are getting picked up for. I can click on this and see every keyword phrase that you're getting picked up for. So that's kind of nice as well. And then ultimately it shows me how many people a month are visiting your website. So it's a pretty nice tool. If I go back to the search that I did, you can see this Olentangy Maids made the map pack and they're number one. Organically. So I just shoved them into Ahrefs just so you can kind of see what the competition's doing. It's kind of crazy, right? They got less backlinks and less referring domains than you, but they do got a lot more keywords. All right. So even though it's all about your backlink profile, once again, it's the power of the referring domains, and they're just getting picked up for 250 more keyword phrases than you, which is ultimately driving, you know, those phrases to these people instead of you. So they're getting excuse me, a heck of a lot more traffic. That's going to be pretty easy for you guys to take advantage of if we just go back and do these couple of things. So more content, capture more of these buyer intent keywords, get those citations out there, tag these pictures correctly with good buyer intent keywords, clean up your backlinking a little bit, and you make it, not going to be far away from taking over those top spots. So hopefully you guys can take advantage of this information. Like I said on the phone, I'm just looking for some feedback to make sure that I'm providing some good information and not wasting business owners' time. So if you could get back to me with some feedback, I'd really appreciate it. In the meantime, y'all take care.